Hello everyone, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas here with the stock of the day. And today it is SGH, and this is from the AI, our Holly. You can see right there is where the alert was, okay, at 49.34, and the stock is now at 50.87. It got up to 51.43. Why I'm highlighting this one though, this is an earnings play, okay? So, anytime you have an earnings play, typically the stock will be active all day long. You don't have to worry, about all of us. I mean, obviously, look, the volume is drying up, but you can get volume coming in later on. But actually, more importantly, take a look at the daily chart on this one. I'm going to just go to the daily chart. Look how much room this still has. So, people are always asking us, what about swinging some of these AI alerts? Well, for me, if this closing well meaning, near the high of the day, it doesn't have to be right at the penny. What I wouldn't want to happen though is for this, just to collapse back down to 49 or down here. Of course, I would not be swinging it. But if it can close somewhere near the high of the day, then you look left and look how much it still has some room to run if it wants to. I mean, I'm not saying it's going to get up to $58, but it still has some room because look at this daily. I mean, it's taken all this garbage out on this one candle. And so, again, this is not a recommendation, but this is the sort of thing you can look for when you're looking for swing trades, especially from the AI. If this closes well, you might just want to take a look at it because it still has a gap to potentially fill. So that is the trade of the day, not so much because it has, an incredible price increase, but more importantly, just to, be on the lookout for stocks that look like this for potential swings. All right, I want to get back into the trading room. Now, in the email you're getting, you will see there's still a link to sign up for the test drive. Test drive is still, if you sign up today, depending when you get this email, basically you'll have tomorrow being Thursday and Friday, and then the following week. You'll have 7 days. You will not have 10 full trading days, but you will have 7 days with Trade Ideas to try out our premium service. So try us out. And otherwise, I will open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. Have a great evening, everybody, and we'll see you then. Bye.